Hello everyone, in today's video we will solve Heapdump picoCTF. So launch instance and go to the website. First, what you should do is read the description carefully. That it says welcome to the challenge. In this challenge you will explore a web application and find an endpoint that exposes a file containing a hidden flag. The application is a simple blog website where you can read articles about various topics, including an article about API documentation. So it gives us a hint about some API documentation. So our goal is to find the flag. So now here we can see 4 blogs here, and here we can see that the API documentation here. So this is the API documentation. Here you can see get request, about pages for services, and these endpoints. And here you can see Heapdump. So what is Heapdump? Heapdump is basically a snapshot of memory. So here also you can see that the flag is in a file. Okay, so what we can do is using this slash Heapdump we can find the flag. So what we will do now is go to this Heapdump slash Heapdump. So here slash Heapdump and press enter. It will download the Heapdump file. If it says that insecure download block, then just press on the skip and it will be downloaded. So here you can see our file has been downloaded. Open this using any text editor you have. So here we can see there are so many lines, we cannot just read them all. So what we have to do, we press Ctrl F and write pico. So you can see the flag is here in line 5. Copy this and again go here and paste it. So the challenge is done. So thanks for watching.